Alexis Dean wasn't like most 12-year-olds. She was writing a book, liked art, and loved her family, including 10 cousins and parents, Rob and Tina.
It's a mother's worst nightmare, going and trying to get your children out of a house. She couldn't see anything.
The smoke blinded Alexis and her desperate mother, who tried to find her daughter in the dark as the floorboards burned.
She did everything she possibly could as a mum. Her first thought was her children, while her own feet were burning.
Today in Gympie, there was grief. Supporters wore purple, Alexis's favourite colour. The family will move into a rental property tomorrow. Everything from furniture to food has been donated.
So by the time they move in over the weekend, the house will be fully stocked for them.
More than $20,000 has been raised. Alexis would have turned 13 next month. Like so many teenagers, she wanted a mobile phone and a Facebook account. They'll celebrate her young life without her, but first there'll be a funeral to honour a child whose death has given life to others.
We are proud of Alexis's wishes to donate her organs, and it has saved 3 lives already, one being a child.
Erin Edwards, 7 News.